This is quite cute. Anyway, that's somewhere.
That.
Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, the funniest and cutest German puppies are gathered. Let's go!
Hi, Ollie, baby.
Sorry, pups, that broom doesn't come with a flying spell. Guys, making a yelping sound when a puppy bites can teach them when it hurts.
Good boy.
The spa day he didn't sign up for, but he's accepting his fate.
Look at these feet. Look at these feet.
Hey, knock that off. No. Ow!
Meet the future CEO right there. He's delegating the work to Gravity. He only focused on a task, even when the solution isn't obvious.
Excuse me, Bear. Hey!
Small but determined, this one's raising his hierarchy in the house.
What is it?
Huh? White. White.
No, you
White.
can't at all. Like, it's completely...
Break. Good girl. Good girl.
Currently downloading a software update titled Ultimate Cute. Uh-oh, oopsie, I've made a grave mistake. Please fix it, human.
So speak. Axel, speak. Good boy. Axel, speak. Good boy.
This is a way young dogs invite you to play.
Coco, when mommy says stop, you say okay.
It's just a baby.
But you still had to say okay.
I bet the majestic German Shepherd is a myth. Look at this little bodybuilder. He's the best trainer ever.
So you want to see a trunk full of cuteness? Hi, puppies. Hi.
You must remain calm while being ambushed by Flush.
It's like a little bat. Come on now.
He's not a dog, he's a furry gardener. Except his can is empty. That's the classic nothing to see here face. Where can I apply for an hourly dog sitting job? He's so cute.
Most dangerous animal on this planet.
This is why I pay for the internet. He went from another ball to... Oh my goodness, it's yummy. Clearly his brain is buffering. Please wait. That puppy's career path is already more vertical than mine. Turns out, the true monster in the house is my hair clip.
Это что такое? Это что за чудо? Это ужас. Это ужас. Все.
Me when my sibling opens a bag of chips like... What does he want? He's activating protocol puppy eyes.
Grumpy. Are you a grumpy little gremlin? Are you a little grumpert wearing your grumpy pantaloons? Are you a floofy McGrump grump?
His mission is to enforce the good boy laws.
Did you put the rock down? You got eight. Let me see. Let me see. Do you got the rock? No, get over here.
A German Shepherd dog.
What are you?
A German Shepherd dog.
Life when having a German pup is full of joys and adventures. If you loved our funny GSD moments, join us for more adorable videos.